guys, what's up? Right now, today we're making slime and we need some subscribers. So please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to be using glue, hot water, borax, a stick.
So, this is my stick.
And this is a box where you're going to make slime. And the last but not least, what do you need?
Orbeez.
These are some awesome Orbeez. Oh
Yeah,
I just dropped a bunch of water.
Yeah.
These are the Orbeez. They're pretty good. And now we're going to be starting to make slime. So let's get started. This is the ball.
That's the box.
This is the box we're going to be making slime in. We're going to pour all this glue in this. Who wants to do that?
Me.
Okay. Pour this in this.
I'm pouring, bro.
Okay, she's pouring this glue in this.
And I'm
The
pouring.
whole thing.
Oh, I got bro. Yeah.
This is so much glue.
Yeah, bro. That's what she did.
Okay, I'm going to be finishing this. Okay,
And could I put some water?
we're done with the glue. Now what should we put in? Okay, so basically now what we're going to be putting is the Orbeez.
Yeah.
You guys can help, but don't put the water in it.
Okay.
Okay, put the Orbeez in. Please don't put the water in, please.
Okay.
Be careful.
What if you want to?
Please, Zan.
I'm just asking. Question.
Okay, this looks really cool.
This does not.
Let's pour all the Orbeez in. So right now we're done with the Orbeez. Let me show you how it looks.
And this is the water.
Oh my god.
I'll show you how it looks.
This looks so cool.
I'll show you how it looks.
Okay, so
It
now
looks so cool, but it doesn't. It is so cool. Look inside.
So right now we're mixing it all in.
Yeah, bro.
We're mixing it. It looks
Yeah, bro.
really cool actually. Okay, so we're mixing it. Oh my god, you guys have to see this. Look at how cool this looks. Okay. Mix.
This is our Orbeez, and
And you need these.
and there is glue.
Bubbles.
They are so cool, and there are bubbles. And we're making slime. They are so cool.
Okay. Okay, now in this water, this is warm water, we put borax in it, okay?
Mom, what is this?
We put borax in it. Now we're gonna pour this borax water thingy in
Can I pour it in there?
just a little.
I pour it
Just put like a drop in it. A drop. Okay,
Yeah, that's
you can
fine.
mix. Okay, Batul, you can mix.
Yay.
Here, you can mix after this. Oh my god. So right now we're mixing and putting this in. Okay, now we've mixed this thing and right now let's take it out. Oh my god. Now we have to smooth it.
That's Papa.
Okay, so this is our slime. It's really cool. But the Orbeez keep on falling out. As you can see, the Orbeez are falling out. Like,
Yeah, like dumb.
okay. So basically, now we're gonna be asking to my brother and sister to rate this slime. Who wants to feel it first?
Me, bro. Me.
Okay, feel it. How would you rate this? Do you like it?
Yeah.
How would you rate it?
I.
She doesn't know any math. Okay, go. How would you rate it?
I said great.
Great? Okay, how would you rate it? 1 out of 10. Here, feel it first.
Okay, I'll feel it first. Then I'll rate it. Okay.
Okay, how would you rate it? How would you rate it?
Could I hold it in my hand?
Wait 1 second. How would you rate this?
Okay.
No, only feeling it. Okay, how would you rate this? Put in this.
9%.
Okay, anyway.
I mean 5.
Okay, he rated it 5%, but I would rate this 10 because it's really stretchy, everything. Okay, thank you for looking at our video. Thank you for looking at our video. And give us a thumbs up
It's in
and
my face.
comment down below if you need to.
It's in my face.
Okay, go.